What's in the starter's pistol at the Olympics? Well, actually, it's not really a pistol at all, and it hasn't been for some time. The problem with using a pistol was that the sound of it firing would reach athletes at different times. We're talking thousandths of a second here, but even so, that matters for elite athletes, often separated by tiny margins. Even putting speakers behind the runners didn't entirely fix the problem, because they'd still be waiting for the noise of the actual gun. So from the 2012 games onwards, organisers switched technologies. The starter still holds what looks like a pistol and still fires it, but it doesn't actually make a noise, because there's nothing in it. What's actually happening is that the gun, which is electronic, is wired to a sound system, and when it fires, it triggers a noise that comes only from the speakers behind the athletes, meaning that all of them are given the same time to react at the start of the race.